welcome back to our YouTube channel, Amazon Nation, where we teach aspiring freelancers or Amazon VAs to be a highly paid Amazon VA. So for today's video, we're not just giving you guys tips to be a highly paid VAs, but also we give you warning signs para maging protected kayo sa mga scammers out there in the freelancing industry.
Be careful.
Yes, you heard that right. In the freelancing world, hindi rin din siya walk in the park. Meron ding mga ups and downs. And this video, we're going to talk about the not so good about freelancing. And that is about how to spot scammer clients. Maybe you wanna ask, Niña, paano nga ba mag-spot ng mga scammers sa freelancing world? Well, I have some tips to share to you. So, number one dyan is no interview video. May naranasan ka ba na puro emails lang, chat, tapos never kayo nag-actually kita from video? Or kahit man lang Zoom? Nako friend, this can actually be a sign of a red flag. But that doesn't mean that it's always a red flag. However, consider this. Most clients, they want to see their VAs face-to-face sana or through a video. Kahit man lang phone call or makausap lang kayo through phone, di ba? So if a client doesn't show themselves through a video, mag-ingat lang ng konti. Again, hindi natin to nilalahat ha. But based on many experiences of seasoned VAs, a good company or a client would love to show themselves through video or maybe even a phone call. Moving on. Number two, the pay is delayed. Hindi pa nagbabayad. Nako, I know the fear is real.
Where's my money?
This is why we always advise na mag-negotiate na kayo sa mga inyong mga clients na ang pay sa inyo can be weekly, bi-weekly, basta wag lang 1 month. Kasi imagine mo, if scammer si client, tapos 1 month siya nagbabayad sa'yo, edi parang 1 month na sweldo ang nawala sa'yo.
Oh no.
Yes, sino ba namang freelancer ang gusto mag-work na walang pay for 1 week? But you see, ito talaga ang reality ng mga freelancers. May mga times talaga na makakatahimik tayo ng mga scammers out there, lalo na sa internet. And wala talagang way to legally sue them, since we're offshore teams. If a client delays their payment, tell them politely. Isipin mo na lang na hindi scammer si client and maiintindihan din niya ang needs mo. And that is by telling them na mag-pay on time, but politely. And I'm sure that they won't take it negatively. Number 3, look inside the community. Ito, scammers talaga, they are really well known in the online community. If you belong to a community of freelancers, why not ask your communities if kilala ba nila itong specific na client na to na medyo merong nagkakaroon siya ng scammer vibes or signals. Most VAs can actually sense a client who is potentially a scammer. So it's nice to ask if you have a community, like you could share your message, you share your experience, and nag-interview nyo when you guys were negotiating. Kasi malay mo, you can actually help someone within the community, a co-freelancer or a co-VA na maging careful ito sa specific na client na ito. Share mo kung ano yung modus nila. Ganun. Yes, I would say that getting in a community is definitely a life hack. Kaya lang, not all communities are the same. Take ASWA FB group for example. We are a solid community of Amazon VAs freelancers who can help you identify scammer clients. Although hindi naman kami 100% precise, but I would say mga 95%. Kasi based on my experience, nagkakaroon sila ng common na clients na same ng scammers, same nga na na-experience nila. And like I said, being in the community is a life hack. Number 4, lack of online presence. Napansin mo ba na yung client na ina-applyan mo, wala silang LinkedIn nila halos walang posts, halos walang connects, And even yung shop nila, hindi mo din makita sa Amazon or even Shopify. Nako, that can be a sign of a red flag. Scammers usually use generic names. And hindi rin sila gumagamit ng human names kasi syempre, possible na mahuhuli sila kaagad. You can actually check their email address kung ano yung domain na ginagamit nila because in reality, hindi madali makakuha ng domain. For example, if at Gmail yung gamit nila, that could also be a red flag kasi ang generic nga and ang daling gumawa ng ganong email. But if it's an at, tapos yung company nila ang gamit nila, that is a green flag. Meaning na meron talaga silang company, meron talaga silang shop, at nagsisell talaga sila sa e-commerce. But then again, meron namang cases na hindi. Na hindi naman sila ibig sabihin na they use a generic name or generic email ay fraud sila. It could be, maybe they're just a startup pa lang. Number 5, upfront payments. Ito, super duper red flag if a client asks you for a money. Girl, sa tagal ko ng freelancing, wala na nag-a-ask ng money. Period. If may client na hinihingin ka ng payment terms, nako, ekis, lumayo ka na. Kasi hindi talaga nagbabayad ang isang VA sa kanilang clients. Sa iba nga, trial task pa lang ang ginagawa mo, binabayaran ka na nga eh. What if more pa kaya wala ka pang ginagawa tapos hinihigan ka ng pera? So, that is really a red flag. I'll say it again, don't pay your clients. Just don't. Mawala na ang online presence, mawala na ang connects, mawala na ang interview, basta huwag ka lang magbayad. Ang hirap kumita ng pera, so save yourself from doing those things. Number 6, unrealistic promises and demands. Napapaisip ka ba na masyadong too good to be true yung mga nasa job post? Isip-isip tayo ng onte.
I be thinking, man. I be thinking, bro.
But get this, sometimes mataas ang rate kasi yung mga nasa job post nila no work ay matataas talaga ang salary. For examples, web developers, data analysts, or even Amazon VAs have much higher salary than the general VAs. But remember, if the promise is way too high and mukhang unrealistic, then listen to your gut. Don't be involved yourself too much kasi marami namang job posts out there and marami din websites na naghahanap ng VAs. This is why Upwork is an extra layer for protection. They have a better filter sa mga clients, VAs, para maiwasan ng mga scammings. Yun nga lang, may percentage at kaltas sa sahod mo. But think of it this way, hindi ka na masascam. Conclusion, hindi lahat ng cases are the same. Minsan, may mga symptoms ng mga scam clients pero turns out hindi naman pala sila scammer. There is no formula that you can identify for surely na scammer ang isang client. But with these tips, you can protect yourself better from heartaches if ever man matuluyan na ma-scam ka. Tandaan, hindi lang naman tayo mga freelancers ay takot sa scam. Even pati mga clients, takot din sila sa mga scammer na freelancers at virtual assistant. So it's best that you join a community and take a screenshot of your message with your client to ensure na hindi scammer si client at siya ay a good client. If you're towards high-paying courses, then the Amazon Nation course is the route for you for newbies. Plus, we have a solid community that is waiting for you as a bonus if you join the ASVA Masterclass. Huwag magpa-scam sa client at huwag mag-scam ng client. We hope that your freelancing journey will be scam-free. So watch more for our more value-packed videos here in Amazon Nation channel. Until next time, see you again! Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button here on our YouTube. And also follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's Amazon Nation PH. And connect with us on LinkedIn. See you!